So my mom just got here because we're gonna show you all how to decorate your dining table for Christmas. But first, I need to show you all how excited the animals get every time she gets here. Look, I was not lying to y'all. Oh. Say hi. Oh my God. Say hi. Say hi. They're crazy.
A great day.
They crazy.
I know.
Say hi. Say hi. Good girl.
Hi, let's go inside. Woo!
Now it's slipped out of production. Next time you see this table, it is going to look like Christmas. So we went shopping yesterday to grab a couple of things to pull this whole look together, but I didn't get a chance to film that, so we're gonna show you what we got. We got these beautiful gold branches, kind of just fell in love with them. And then my favorite piece is this beautiful leopard print wrapping paper. If you know me, you know that I think leopard is a neutral. And then the thing that's really gonna make a big statement are these pine clippings, and they were actually free, so even better. And then the last piece we got was this beautiful white kind of frosted Christmas tree. Well, I guess it's a Christmas tree. Don't really know how we're gonna use it yet, possibly on the bar cart, so we'll see.
This year, there's only 3.5 weeks between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So we're actually gonna use the vases because I know Alexandria just loved those. So we're gonna reuse those. She loved her candles that she had, and obviously, she was obsessed with this gold runner. Well, actually 2 gold runners. And so we're just gonna incorporate that and show you how we're changing it from Thanksgiving to Christmas. Okay, so I decided that, you know, we're gonna use the wheat that we had in the white vases. I'm gonna use that as a guide. To be honest with you, I'm gonna look at this and kind of gauge it, try to see if I can get about the same length. But, well, you know, to be honest with you, nature's not perfect. It's just beautiful. So I'm gonna try this because Alexandria doesn't have the right tools, and so we're gonna try this and see if it works. Let me try these others. These are a little rusted. You know, I've been working out, so let's put these muscles where. Oh. Yay! It worked. Okay, perfect. You know what? Let me see kind of if it's about the same size. I think it's gonna work actually. Yeah, so I'm gonna just start placing them and trying to get the height, and because I've got 3 vases to do. Hey, you know what? I was thinking that, because I really like the way this looks. It looks real organic. But what about those gold sticks? They've got some sparkle to them.
I like that because we didn't really know how we were gonna use them.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, give that to me.
No. Look it up for
Hey!
Okay, here.
Thinking we're gonna have to cut these because they're really long. What do you think?
Like my arms.
Let me see if I can break this. It's not gonna work, Lexi. I'm gonna have to go get. I'm gonna have to go get the other things. Okay, got smart. Went and got my little tools and then figured out, hello, I'm gonna use floral wire. That way, yeah, Mother Nature's not perfect, but I can perfect her. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, one down. Look, what do you think? You like it?
Oh my God, love it.
Right?
Yes.
I think it's
so cute.
Yes.
Okay. Now that the centerpieces are done, thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Now we're gonna use this beautiful wrapping paper that we found, and we'll make sure to link it down below. But it's one of our favorite hacks because you just toss it afterwards. We use the wrapping paper as a table runner.
Mm-hmm. We use it actually all the time.
We really do.
You know, as I'm looking at the table, you know, sometimes, you know how we either make it a little bit thinner or whatever.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm thinking that we should leave it the width that it is because you're having that cocktail party this week.
Why would I agree to do that? But it's perfect because we're gonna serve the food on this table so it won't scratch the table. Y'all, look at how pretty this looks. It is so gorgeous. It is so feminine, so fierce, and fabulous. We get the gold runners laid out on top to start putting this whole look together. So I'm putting the gold runners down just like we did in our last video. And it kind of gives it just that finished.
Yeah, that way it doesn't look like it's just wrapping paper
Yeah.
on top of here. And then I'll start putting these vases with the greenery.
We did put a little bit of water in them just so that I wouldn't have to be misting them later. Let me put this one right here.
Yeah, because they are natural, obviously, and so it's better that they don't dry out, so you just keep them misted and with water. Look at how pretty this is looking.
Doesn't it look gorgeous? We just need
do.
a couple of finishing touches.
Yeah, well, we need to put the candle still.
The candlesticks and
maybe some ornaments. I don't
maybe.
know.
So after we laid down a couple of ornaments, decided that's not the look. I like a more modern, clean look. So we actually finished up everything. It's beautiful.
And honestly, all we spent was $4 for the wrapping paper.
Yeah.
And what, $8,
$8
right, for the
for-
gold branches. So for the 3 weeks between Thanksgiving and Christmas, hey, $12?
You can't beat it.
Can't beat it, and it looks good.
And so we got inspired, and in our other video, we made a wreath, and so we made another one to put in the dining room just to finish off the look and take the eye
Vision. So that way it just looks more coordinated, honestly. And you can look past this and it just looks good.
It really does. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell because like she said, I have decided to host a holiday cocktail party. And in our next video, we're gonna show you how we did that.
Absolutely.
And until then, make sure you follow us on Instagram so you can see what we're up to. See you in our next one.